Now, we talked about, and you've probably heard about, the Long Beach Pier has been undergoing upgrades at their port. And it's been doing this to accommodate a larger vessel. So we were all hoping that this meant a larger vessel. Long Beach has done some amazing upgrades in their dome, which is their sort of port pier waiting area, is really quite lovely. It's almost like a Central Park, New York style. I've never been to New York City or Central Park there, but it has a kind of vibe from what you see in movies and other art forms, television shows, what have you. So they have lots of benches, lots of seating. And it's a bit more of a walk to get to your ship now, though. But the walking areas, it's clearly so they have queuing space for a larger vessel. And it's substantial. And so you're walking through it, and you're reminded of walking through the ports of like Miami and other, large ports. And so, you can kind of see, they've been laying groundwork for this sort of thing. And that's absolutely fantastic. We actually put quite a bit of effort into these videos, so if you could give us a thumbs up, that would be a fantastic way of showing your support, that we would continue making these kinds of videos for you. And if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, please subscribe and also comment below.